What is e-waste? Electronic waste or e-waste is electronic equipment that is being thrown away. It includes phones, computers, and other electronics that have passed their time and are not used anymore. In fact, anything that has a plug or takes a battery would qualify as e-waste if thrown away. Why is e-waste important? Producing e-waste covers national resources. Recovers valuable materials from old electronics that can be used to make new products. As a result, we save energy, reduce pollution, reduce greenhouse gases emissions, and save resources by expecting following raw materials from the earth. Why is e-waste such a big problem? We, the human race, make a lot of e-waste. When electronic ends up in chemicals toxic like lead, mercury, and cadmium launched into the soil and water, the electronics waste problem is huge. More than 20 million tons of e-waste are produced every year. UK alone products 121,000 metric tons in the first quarter of 2018. So what can you and I do to help solve such a big problem? Here are some tips on how each and every one of us can reduce the amount of e-waste created. Tip 1. Sell your old electronics. One of the easiest methods of reducing the e-waste footprint is to sell your electronic gadgets. Tip 2. Donate old electronics. Donating electronics to the needy is also a practice followed by many. It not only gives the gadgets a new life, but also makes you feel good about yourself. Tip 3. Recycling and dispose of e-waste probability. You can find electronic recycling problems in your local area by doing a Google search for recycling electronics and your city or area name. Tip 4. Maintain your electronics. One of the best ways to save your money and reduce e-waste is to keep your electronics well managed.